Here we go with problem 12. It says if f of x is 3x plus 1, find the inverse of f of x. Well, the inverse notation is simply this, f negative 1 of x. And we're looking for the inverse of it. Well, the easiest way to do this, very simple. All you're going to do, f of x, remember, is really just like your y equals. So let's write this guy as y equals 3x plus 1. And if we want the inverse, all we're going to do is we're going to change this y to an x and that x to a y. So I just rewrite it. So step 1, simply rewrite it. The y becomes an x, the x becomes a y. Now all you got to do is solve it for y and you'll have the inverse of the function. So solving for y, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. I get x minus 1 is equal to 3 times y. Now to get y by itself, you're going to divide by 3 here. Divide that whole side by 3. And now you have y by itself. You have y is equal to x minus 1 over 3. This right here is your inverse. So you could simply say, hey, the inverse of this function is x minus 1 over 3. Again, all you have to do is write it instead of f of x, write it as y equals, then simply change your x and y, solve for y, and the answer you get when you solve for y, that is your inverse of the function.